back on another video. Today I will explain of the screen kids, and I don't like them because when the creator of the search and they screen them and they copy it and just post it, and they get much likes, and the creator have just 1,000 likes, and the screen kid just have 20,000 likes. That's not fair, right? They always steal your videos. Even you are going to post another video or a shirt, they always screen it with their face. And I saw a screen, I think it was a reel, when just I see a man in the bottom hiding, though no one knows it was a screen kid for her video, and the be okay, yes. And the short gets 56,000 like, and the 20 million views, and the creator gets 10 million views and 30,000 likes. That's why do not fall for the tricks of the screen kid. Okay, green green skin kids, or green skinned. Uh, and just do not upload shorts, because do not upload and there's people who steal your video short that create and put edit to get more popular, and she gets 100,000 painted. I just saw many of the that edit them to get more views, and I saw this gets 220 mil. Not I won 5 million views, and I was angry because the creator worked hard for that and just get exposed. And now I am explaining because that was a horrible idea. Green screen kid is stop that for doing. I don't like green screen kid because hard work and hard mind, and just stealing of the screen feed. I don't like them. Just they are stealing your short or video. And it's done. Bye bye.